guys and welcome back. For those who don't know me, I'm in East London and I'm going to be doing something new today. I'm going to be installing this wig on my sister. And this unit is from Ueenly Hair and they sent me their 13x6 Brazilian body wave lace frontal wig. So as you can see here, she has her wig cap on. Then I'm going to go in with a foundation which is similar to her skin tone and apply that all over the wig cap. So before I get into slaying her hair, all I did to this unit was bleach it and pluck it, but just to let you know, this unit does come already plucked and with baby hair. So now I'm just going to go in with a wipe and wipe around the perimeter of her forehead. Then I'm going to go in with my Got2b freeze blast spray and spray that around her forehead. Then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and blow dry that until tacky. Then I'm going to get the unit and place it right into that glue and lay it down. And what I've experienced with this hair is that this hair is very soft, very lightweight and full. This hair doesn't shed much at all. So with these coming clips, I'm just making sure that the lace is very secure all around. And by doing so, I'm just using my Got2b spray, spraying that, then blow drying it down and repeat. And as you see here, I'm cutting the air tabs off because they were coming down very low. Then after doing so, I'm going to go in with my comb and comb through the hair just to make sure there's no tangles. So she wanted her hair as the middle part, so that's what she gonna get. So I'm gonna go in the middle and make that part appear more visible. So I'm gonna go in with my hair oil and my hot comb to lay down the top. And with the rest of that oil, I'm just putting that throughout the hair, just to give it that extra shine. And she wanted minimal baby hairs, so I'm going to go in and cut her baby hairs and go in with my Ueenly gel to swoop them up. Then to lay her baby hair, I'm going to go in with my satin edge scarf which I got from Amazon and wrap that around. Then after I've done that, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and blow dry around that area to set it. So as her baby hairs are setting, I'm going to go in and curl her hair. So as you all know already, this is a body wave wig, but the curls did drop, so that's why I am recurling the hair. So after curling the hair, I think the baby hairs are just about done, so I'm going to take the edge scarf off. And here I'm just combing through the curls just to give it that soft wavy look. And look at her feeling herself. Then I'm going to go in with a concealer of her choice to conceal her part. So that is literally it from me for today, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a big thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know your thoughts about this hair. Let me know if I did a good job or not. And I'll get back to you, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.